In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your WhatsApp status to your Facebook stories. So I have here my WhatsApp status and I'd like to go ahead and share it across other platforms such as Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to share this to Facebook, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on your WhatsApp status, and here it is. And then go over to these three dots here. And then you'll see an option called Share to Facebook. If you tap on it, you have to allow the option to share your status to Facebook story. So I'll tap on Get Started. And then this will go ahead and load my Facebook account. And here we go. I am now headed to Facebook without leaving WhatsApp. So I'll tap on Agree. Now here you have to choose whether you want to always share your WhatsApp status to Facebook stories. So if you're okay with it, go ahead and check this box. For my case, I don't want to always share my WhatsApp status to Facebook story. So I'll proceed and tap on Share Now. And now the story has been shared on my Facebook account. So if I go ahead on Facebook, I should be able to find this. So I'll go ahead and refresh my Facebook and look at that. My WhatsApp status is now on my Facebook account. And now if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see it now. So that's how you share your WhatsApp status to Facebook story. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.